Hello 3 Commas traders, my name's Jared and I'm a 3 Commas representative. Today, I'll be going over when it's the best time to use the SmartTrade section over the DCA Bot section, and vice versa. 3 Commas is an online trading platform where traders have various tools and strategies to increase the profit and control you have over your accounts. 3 Commas provides users with automated trading bots that can be programmed to handle all of your trading operations without the need of any supervision. Without further delay, let's get right into this. First off, when should you use the SmartTrade section? One reason is if you have a non-repeatable trade in mind. For example, when you want to take profit on a token since it would be in profit at the time you're online, or if you expect it to reverse after hitting a new recent high. You're able to set up the trade in advance in the SmartTrade section to make sure it closes when you want it to, even if you're not around. Another good reason to use the SmartTrade section is when you see an opportunity and you would like to make an order right away. You'd have the ability to make a limit or market order and make the trade without having to go to your exchange's website. If you're already constantly watching the market, it might be a good idea to work in the SmartTrade section. You can use the TradingView chart and the provided tools and indicators on the charts in order to help develop a safe yet profitable trade for you. Another great reason is if you'd like to use multiple take profit percentages. This could only be done using the SmartTrade section. For example, if you'd like to have half of your trade take profit at 5%, you can set it to close half of the trade once the trade rises 5%. The other half can be set elsewhere. For example, 10%. This means it will sell the rest of the funds off when the second take profit is hit. You're able to have up to 8 target profit percentages set per trade. 3 Commas has many other tools such as conditional orders that will not lock your funds, so you're able to keep using them if your strategy calls for it. Moving the break even, and instant execution as long as you're tracking the provided resources when deciding when to close your trades, such as the bid and ask price. Moving on to the DCA Bot section. This section is mainly focused around automation, so you don't have to do the trading yourself. You would design the bot to your liking based on the set rules you give it, and it would run non-stop 24/7, making you profit without you having to be involved. If you want to set it and forget it while you're at work, sleeping, or spending time living your life, this is the tool for you. We've also got a mobile app you can keep track of your trades on, allowing you to monitor your bots whenever they come to mind. I have put a link to download our mobile app in the description. If your strategy calls for multiple trades that occur repetitively, even when you're not around, then the DCA Bot section is for you. There's endless tools and possibilities in this section, and we're consistently updating and improving it too. If your strategy won't work with what we have, you can use the Custom TradingView Signals in order to link your 3 Commas account to your TradingView account, allowing you to customize your bot indefinitely using TradingView. This may take some PineScript knowledge depending on the strategy you're trying to do, but this is definitely something that should be kept in mind for traders who have the ability to write in PineScript. Moving on, if you wanted your strategy to watch more than one market at a time, this would also be possible using the multi-pair bots. A multi-pair bot will allow you to make a bot with some additional tools, allowing you to run the bot on multiple markets at the same time. You would set up the bot and select the pairs you'd like the bot to trade with. It would only trade with the pairs you choose, and it will watch all of their markets non-stop until you decide otherwise. Finally, you're also able to make a copy of other traders' bots in the marketplace. Let's say you found someone else's bot settings in the marketplace that you like the outcome of. You're actually able to copy the bots and use it yourself. We also have advanced traders who create TradingView Signals that are designed to work with 3 Commas in order to allow you to copy their trading indicators and their bot settings. This allows even the most incompetent trader to be able to enter the crypto market and make profit doing so. That's going to wrap up this video on which section you should use when trading on 3 Commas. 3 Commas has a lot more to offer than even what I covered here to their users, and we're constantly improving. I put some helpful links in the description to help you get started on your trading adventure with 3 Commas and teach you about the tools offered and the most profitable way to use them. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is always available and can be found on our website. Thanks so much for watching and learning with us, and as always, happy trading.